Hello and welcome to this week's Solution Saturday. In this video, we're going to go through question 10 from the MGS 2014 Paper B. Make sure to check out the other videos in the playlist for more worked solutions for this paper, and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our other videos. Each day, a shoal of small fish increases in number by 50%, but each night a shark eats 300 of them. So if there are 1,000 fish on Monday morning, then there will be 1,500 by Monday evening, but only 1,200 left by Tuesday morning. Complete the following table showing the number of fish each morning. On Monday morning, we have 2,000 fish. During the day, this increases by 50%, and to do this, we need to halve 2,000 to get 1,000, and then add this back on to 2,000. So by Monday evening, we have 3,000 fish. We lose 300 during the night, so on Tuesday morning, we actually have 2,700 fish. Let's use this method again. 2,700 divided by 2 gives us 1,350. If we add this back on to 2,700, by the end of Tuesday, we have 4,050 fish. By Wednesday morning, after we've lost 300 fish, our final total is 3,750. Again, let's use our method. On Thursday morning, there will be a 50% increase during the day, so we need to do half of 3,750 added back on to 3,750. So on Thursday morning, we have 5,625 fish. Let's move on to the next part. We're basically using the same exact method that we used for part A, and we're going to keep doing this until we finish the question. In this question, we've been given Wednesday morning and we need to work backwards to figure out Tuesday and Monday morning. So, let's work in reverse. Tuesday plus 50% minus 300 gives us 1,050. If we do 1,050 plus 300, we get the number of fish for Tuesday evening, which is 1,350. We're going to use the block method here, which you may have learned in school, and this is going to make the whole equation seem a lot more simple. We know that Tuesday morning plus 50% gives us 1,350. Let's say that Tuesday morning is equal to 2 blocks. Half of 2 blocks is 1 block. So when we add that back on, we get our block value for Tuesday evening, which is 3 blocks. These 3 blocks are equal to 1,350. If 3 blocks equal 1,350, then 1 block is equal to 450. We can now go back to our blocks for Tuesday morning. If we have 2 blocks representing the number of fish on Tuesday morning, then 2 blocks is equal to 900. That means that on Tuesday morning, we had 900 fish. We're going to use the same exact method to get from Tuesday morning to Monday morning. So, if you do that, you'll get a final answer for Monday morning of 800 fish. If the number of fish each morning is the same on each of the 4 days, how many fish were there on Monday morning? For this to be possible, the 50% that we add on to our original number has to be equal to what we take away during the night. This means that the 50% has to be equal to 300. If 50% is equal to 300, then our original number has to be 600. Let's check this. If we add on 50% of 600, this means we do 600 plus 300 to get 900 in the evening. During the night, we have to do 900 minus 300, as the shark eats 300 fish, which gets us back down to 600 the next morning. This means that our final answer is 600. Let's move on to the last part. Word got round amongst the sharks that there was a good meal to be had in this part of the sea. During the day, there's still a 50% increase in the number of fish, but if 15 sharks came each night, eating 300 fish each, complete the table below. The first thing we have to do is figure out how many fish are eaten each night. So to do this, we're going to do 15 multiplied by 300 to give us 4,500 fish eaten each night. Now let's move on to the table. On Monday morning, we have 12,000 fish to start with. If we increase this by 50%, we have to divide 12,000 by 2 to get 6,000 and then add it back on. So on Monday evening, we have 18,000 fish. We lose 4,500 fish during the night. So on Tuesday morning, we have 13,500 fish. Again, if we do 13,000 divided by 2, we get 6,750. If we add this back on to 13,500, we get 20,250 fish in the evening. After we lose 4,500 fish, on Wednesday morning we have 15,750 fish. If we do this same method, then you'll find that on Thursday there are 19,125 fish left in the morning. Thank you for watching. We hope you've been able to gain valuable skills that you can apply to problems similar to this one. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment or reach out on our other platforms. Check out the other videos in the playlist for more solutions on tricky questions from this paper.